Hey buddy, welcome back to my YouTube channel Developing and Enforcing Data Standard. Data in database be inserted according to the standard required by the organization. DBA ensures that the inserted data is always according to the standard. The user interference should guide the user to insert proper data. For example, the next field may contain default values that make it easy for the user to judge the type of data to be inserted. Integrity means that database must always satisfy the rules that apply to the real world. For example, if any employees can only work in one department, database should not allow an employee to be registered in two departments. Consistency means that two different pieces of data cannot contradict each other. For example, if date of birth of an employee is 7878 at one place and it is 1280 at another place, then the database is inconsistent. DBA must ensure that such situation never occur. Developing operating procedure. DBA should establish procedures for different operations. The procedures include security and authorization, record hardware, record. The DBA should train and use application programs and the other users so that they may use the database effectively. The database administrator helps the database user making sure that the data required is available, assisting them on using correctly the system. Defining backup and recovery procedure. If any portion of database is damaged by human error or by hardware, it should be restored as soon as possible. It is important to backup the information of database on a backup server so that it may be recovered in case of emergency. Monitoring performance. The DBA should constantly monitor the performance of the database. He should respond to the complaints or suggestions from the users. The DBA should make sure the database always. DBA should have also the problem by taking appropriate measure, tuning and recognition. If the performance of the database is distributed due to huge amount of data, the DBA should tune. mm, The DBA should consistently monitor in the performance of the database. He should respond to the complaint or suggestion from the user. The DBA should make sure the database always work in its optimum performance. If there is any problem in the functioning of database, DBA should also solve the problem by taking appropriate measure. If the performance of the database is distributed due to huge amount of database, should tune it. He should add or change the indexes. In some cases, the DBA may have changed the physical model and reloaded the database. Data administrator. The need of data administrator arise in a very large organization where many databases may exist. Data administrator is responsible for the whole information resources. Makeup and recovery procedure. Data administrative. Users of data dictionary. Data dictionary is the responsibility of information that describes the logical structure of database. It contains record